Now we are set the pace. Dominate, can you copy place? Pull the gate, could do wait till it's straight. So we are in the place. In the waist, money nice safe. Poppy champagne, flinging I vein. Still in I lane.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, walk on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Your job's gone. I understand.
Most definitely, I miss out on a lot in the few weeks when I did disappear. People them always say, Chaddy, how you always disappear? So I saw it go. Sometimes we have to just try some new things. And not because a year we say try new things, we are gonna go like Superman. No, not like that. You know what I mean? But just venture in some different business. For example, my recording studio is almost finished. Yes, people.
Got the thing you never know, man. Be a fire and I flying for the yard, man. Run up on the ground, never done, man. Them can't go running when I die, champ. Spaceship sport mode, boom.
So people, wanna see what go on? It's not like say me did a eagle and a skin teeth.
Me not skin teeth no more. Skin teeth no more.
No sir, me out here I put in some real work. And me know you might wonder, Chaddy, who the artist there in the background?
Now we are set the pace. Dominate, can you copy place? Pull the gate, could do wait till it's straight. So we are in the place. In the waist, money nice safe. Poppy champagne, flinging I vein.
The artist there named Skeng. And just like how him saying I'm sang, the thing in never normal. Him no normal. Normal is a lie for him. And him tell me say him never tell a lie unless it has said.
On the moon my gun, them a goon bad. I'm a straight like the ear, pan the cooler man. Now I pull them a wear that a uniform. Mix the Gucci up with Louis Vuitton. Tell them how we set the pace.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your BL fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So breaking news, popular dancehall producer Shabdon was arrested in connection with a St. James tripper. Music producer Linval Shabdon Thompson Jr. has been arrested in connection with last month's triple murder in Rose Heights, St. James. The Jamaica Constabulary Force says Thompson was arrested yesterday by members of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force during a targeted operation in the St. Catherine South Division, following a preliminary investigation into several incidents. The police had named Thompson as a person of interest in the recent killings. He is expected to be questioned in the coming days in the presence of his attorney. 27-year-old Chadwell Fraser, otherwise called Bombrain or Chad, 24-year-old Camario Chimpy Calvin, and Tonian Two-Fly, 26, were shot dead at a birthday party on Mall Road in Rose Heights on May 25th. Two other persons were also injured in the incident. In April, the dancehall producer was freed in the gun court for firearm and ammunition charges.
Oh, Shabdon, if I'm not 6, then I owe. Guys, you know we're bad for throat. Tell some little boy from home.
Not telling a lie, people. Not telling a lie. This doesn't look good for Shabdon, none at all. As the article said, it's just last month before last, he was freed of some gun-related charges. And now, for him get a next charge, a triple murder charge, that not sound good for Shabdon none at all. And I wish the best for the 6-base producer. People, let me know in the comment section what you think about all of this.
London, Fanada plus clansman, badman, Skeng, dang, one dance, paint on gunman.
Skeng seems to be in the news of lately. You had that incident at the airport where he was charged, actually preventing from boarding a flight because of his oversized bleaching cream. We also had that incident over by Guyana where his show was disrupted because of gunshots that resulted in a stampede. We also have that incident over Trinidad when chuck off in the water, in the pool. And a lot of people start speculate that Skeng is actually popping Molly. Me not gonna say I pop Molly, me don't know nothing about that. But the most recent thing Skeng did was purchased a car for his mom. People, take a look.
Skeng surprised his mother at work with a new car.
Hello mate, I spun the hard Monday, now your place when the cause I win the chase.
Nah, tell a lie, Skeng. That is a great move. That is definitely a great move. Me also say Skeng get a skyline of himself too.
I shoot past them in my skyline, and the city heights from rocks. All of my y'all them fully intact.
People, let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Pick up yourself, Skeng. Nah, tell no lie. Yeah, do it. And people, don't forget, Skeng is set to perform in Port Antonio, Portland. Enigma White Sands happening Saturday, August the 20th at Bikini Beach, Port Antonio, Portland. People, you don't want to miss this. Juggling by Bishop Escobar, Mixmaster Overdose, DMX, and Bigger 5, powered by the Dunrich Sound. As little as $1,000 can get you in to see Skeng perform live, but those tickets will be only valid between 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. General admission $2,500 and $5,000 for VIP. And please be reminded, no tickets will be sold at the gate. So that's Enigma White Sands. Mark the date, August the 20th.
Protocol, we have 100 chop. Molly get pop, whole place get hot. Hands out, everything out of the clock. All a pint that all a jump in a boy head back.
So people, there's a stabbing incident that caught on camera involving a baby mother and her baby father, in which the baby mother stabbed the baby father during an altercation. People, me can't play the entire clip, but this is what I definitely can play. Take a look.
That me just wonder, like, what point that even make you?
Mommy, no, do you need to answer or anything that Mr. go and talk, alright?
Miss Porter, you get what I said to you? As a mother. Mr. Porter ever try to take a Kishan or Omar from you?
Because she never try to withhold.
Wait, excuse me.
Mommy, just tell her something in a conversation with her.
These things in the court, right? All I want to talk about in the court.
Yeah, but why my camera go court to take with me baby?
Anyhow, when we reach the court, we talk about that.
When me have a baby Kishan, they don't have island dreams of sex.
Yes,
So why me think, why right for me lay down and take a cut and then you try to take my baby from me? That me I understand.
Chanel, mommy, please
talk about the court case, alright?
Okay, please,
So
Chanel, Miss Chanel, my mother is not here to talk about any court case with you, so please can you leave? Is the baby in danger? Is the baby in distress?
Yes, the baby is in danger.
Okay.
And if you me catch up, me have a video with him, miss him and the video with him, back down his fist. I watch all sort of nastiness and I back down his fist.
Alright, everybody can witness you there. I make a bag of nice environment. Place was nice and quiet. Chanel.
And what? What are they gonna do?
We are asked her kindly to leave.
I'm asking please can you move out of my place?
Mommy, you are the owner of this residence. Please, may I ask her kindly to ask her to leave. Mommy, I stop. She stabbed me in my neck. I have to go to hospital. No. She stabbed me in my neck, mommy. Come on, she just stabbed me in my neck. I have a pan video. See her there. Relax, mom. Relax. Calm, Jake, fast.
And this is one of them video here where me not think me I got doing a long commentary. This is what the baby mother that stabbed the baby father had to say.
Usually I wouldn't do this, but I don't have any choice right now. As you can hear me, I barely have any voice, but there's a video circulating of me on the internet where apparently, yes, I stabbed my baby father. Not apparently, I stabbed him. I stabbed him out of panic and fear after he elbowed me in my belly, but that part of the video wasn't shown, right? It's at that same spot. Well, that is one of the areas of a given day where he beat me to a pulp. Also, at the time, my 6-year-old daughter, who is now 3. We went to court and the matter was mediated. The case done. Nothing happened. Anyhow, I was there for almost 40 minutes. Where is the rest of the video? Where he elbowed me in my belly, stamped up on my foot, slammed the window up on my hand because I tried to talk to my daughter through the window. He go in the house and slam the window up on my finger them. The whole issue is that video took place on the Saturday. Today is the 2nd of July. So the video would have do Saturday gone, the 28th. On the 27th, my 3-year-old daughter, who he's under court order to see, after I'm filed for custody, I'm explained to the court why I withheld the child from him. My daughter came back with her underwear having blood, which is not the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or 5th time this is happening. I have reported the matter to several agencies, the right authorities, and the matter is still under investigation. I went up to his house to talk to his mother. Well, not his house, his mother's house. He doesn't live there. I never knew he was there, or else I wouldn't have went there. I saw him went in a direction opposite from him yard, so I went up there, up my mother yard, to ask him mother what go on with the baby when she come visit, why she come back with blood in her underwear. And me keep on being a talk about this, being a make report. My older daughter tell me say she's been molested by you know who. Now call nobody name, cause me not stop get lawsuit from me left this nigga. And I left this nigga because he got too kinky. And me catch him a watch. Well, me not catch him a watch child porn. Me catch him a masturbate while watching other children on his phone. Me see him a look and pick the picture and a masturbate. I tell my mother, and me did frustrate him, never know what to do. I talk to him about it, he said I have a problem and he need counseling. He did not deny anything at all. And this was like from before Corona broke out. Anyhow, him say me that go get counseling and him did want me to follow him. But him never did really want to get no counseling. He was just sorry he got caught. Anyhow, the fact is, what caused that incident to happen, I talked to him about the blood in the baby underwear and why all of these keep happening and him still a try to take my baby from me when me love so much and me grow so well. She don't even know how to talk patois. She don't even know how to talk patois. If you listen to my baby, she sound like a white child. She used standard English with an accent because that's how I trained her to talk. Like a society person with status. At her age, I grow my pitney them good. I don't drink around my kids. I don't smoke, do any kind of nothing around my pitney them. Can't take them and question them in front or behind me. When I'm at my yard, I'm a mother first and foremost. My yard when me run a home and no ends. It's a home, not a house. My pitney them grow good. The whole community can attest to that. My pitney they not even go outside, go play. While the people them cuss me in the community, I'm going to make the pitney them play in the dirt. And I tell them no, they have their tablet, they have their room where they sleep in, they have their playroom, they have their den, they have everything inside to then comfort with outside. If they want to play in the dirt, me bring dirt come in the house. I don't even make them go out the door to me overprotective of my children. Anyhow, me I talk to the mother about the blood in the underwear. This nigga come out and video me. But him need a video me. When time him a elbow me in my belly and a stamp up on my foot them and a chop me out of the way. Cause him now want me talk to him mother about the situation. His mother tell him to excuse, make she hear me out, and him still out there carry on. The video is 2 minutes and 19 seconds long. Where's the rest of the video? When him elbow me in my belly and slam me wind up on my hand when me a try to call to my baby. And all of them something dead. None of that in the video. The video is supposed to be almost an hour long. Right? Actually, the video would have been 20 odd minutes long because at first him never did a video. And the first time him start video, the phone drop out time and the video chip out. So that would have been either the second or third video what una see, and that video is spliced. Because the video cut out all of the abuse we him give me. At the same spot him beat me to a stroke in front of me pitney them. His mother also assist him to beat me and cover up my head with a towel and tell him to run. Where were your comments then, people? Where were your comments then? I have my reports. I have several reports. Assault with bodily harm, broken at my house, all sort of something. Beat me to a pulp. I have all of my reports. Reports of me and my child who were abused by this nigga. Right? Me as a mother now, and me see my child look like she get molested now. What me fi do? The man beat me after me left him, and I like me and him then beat me after me left him, left him, lick me pitney, where I did 6 months old at the time, and she in my hand and he could get lick me without beat she too. So it two we get lick. Abuse my first daughter, abuse me, abuse my mother. Come in at my house when me not there work as him feel like and do him feel like. Broke in at my house, mash up all of me something them and take out back everything when buy me in the relationship. You don't know nothing when me I got through. You hear me? You don't know. Right now I'm strong. Because I don't know how me overcome this. I don't know how me I got through this. You don't know nothing about depression real. When you have somebody who you see the man there where do murder suicide. I'm capable of that. I'm gonna ask Christ. I fear this man. I move out of the community and come to one different community, and the man still come on my yard, come annoy me, peace. You understand me? Yo, I should not even know me I got through right now. My ball so till I can't ball no more. I take off almost 50 pounds from me have my daughter. 50 pounds. You understand me? And nobody was there other than myself. No one. Me alone I go through it. So if me give him one stab, I'm sorry for stab him, but me panic at the time and me never see no other way out because my sister me that go get me beaten again and me see a next stroke a come and me stab him and me go turn in myself at station and take my charge. But God see I know me I go through, and Father God do not sleep, and I'm a very God fearing person. Anything for happen just have to just happen. But me I go dead trying and fighting for my baby. And me not stop fight for my baby. Because a 2 C-section me do for have them. I cannot push out a child, and doctor did tell me say me could have no pitney none at all. I'm so proud of myself, you know, say me get 2 baby. And I love them dearly, and I'm not going to stop love them. So if Jamaica bash me for love my child, well, I just saw it go, but I'm not stop love my pitney them. I'm sorry.
As I said before, I have no comment on this matter. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. Big up Mvrder Beats for provide us with the wonderful background music, the background rhythm. Mvrder Beats, people. If you want some beats, check out Mvrder Beats. Link in the description. I'm out.